Hey everyone, it's Jen with Chappy Plans. I am RongRong's community manager, and today we're really excited to share with you this Heels and Hustle planner sticker book that RongRong just released. So if you'd like to see the details, stick around. Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining us today. Here is the brand new Heels and Hustle planner sticker book. This was highly requested by so many of you ladies, and RongRong delivered. She knew that y'all wanted some more functional planner stickers, but you also wanted to, of course, have her signature artwork in your planners. So let's jump in and see what we have here. It is 26 pages of hand illustrated stickers. It's mostly black, gold, and there will be a little bit of gray marbling, just like you can see on the back of this sticker book. So in this sticker book, you will find so much function, all the functional stickers. This is an amazingly smooth paper. It feels extremely buttery. Lots of headers, things that say, let's do this, grateful, dream big, having fun today, tomorrow, wants, thankful, stay focused, urgent, blessed. So there's lots and lots of banners and headers to help you stay on top of your game. Same over here, we just have some different styles of flags. Now, later, noted to do, important, don't forget, pay bills. I love the scallop detail on these boxes. We asked for more boxes and she gave us more boxes, friends. We have today, appointment, and then some that have these gorgeous girls in them. Remember that all of these are hand-drawn first and then made into stickers. So there is just so much work that goes into these stickers. You have all of your wellness and fitness, water trackers. I love that she has a meditate sticker. Then you've got, these would be great for like meal planning or any appointments, or even just keeping track of your work schedule, things like that, or what you're giving your kids for lunch. I love that she gives us a nice long washi strip down the middle. And here we have a cleaning schedule, meals, calls to make, love that. And then little icons for each functional task that you may have, like shopping, a dentist appointment, a trip, coffee run or meeting, reading a book or an appointment, making a phone call, garbage day, dinner, bills, going to, getting your pharmacy medicine or anything like that, cleaning. So there's just so much function here. These stickers are really designed to help you stay focused and attack all of the things on your to-do list. So she gives us a whole page of these gold toned stickers. They're not foiled in any way, but they are a gold color. Absolutely gorgeous. And then a page of black. If you're a happy planner, these will fit right in your vertical layout. This is a half box, one page each of those. And then we have a bigger box. As you can see, we have one row for each of the ladies that are featured in the Heels and Hustle sticker book in gold and in black. Now we have full box sizes. And these ladies are just serving looks. Gorgeous, very chic. Okay, now those were all paper. This is clear. So we've got lots of headers again. Doctor's appointment, lunch date, church, reminder, shopping, gym. And then in the back, we have the ladies. Can't forget about these gorgeous, fierce females. They are ready to get it done and look fabulous while doing all the things. I mean, that's at least the idea, right? Make yourself proud, heels and hustle, rise and grind, slay them with success. These gorgeous heels. There's so many details in her illustrations that are just absolutely one of a kind. Cannot wait to use these in my planner. How will you use these in yours? We would love to see. Make sure you tag RongRong on your social media when you share your spreads. Heels and hustle. Rise and grind, baby. Heels and hustle. So that is everything in the sticker pack. And of course, it has this wonderful eyelet binding here for you with the elastic so that it can stay nice and together. I am going to do a quick plan with me video so you can just see how I would use this, since it's so functional, in a daily sheet. I'm going to create my own. So I'm going to put on some music, speed up the camera, and let you guys check this out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to RongRong Fashion Illustration. Follow her over on Instagram at RongRong DeVoe Illustration. And there's also a private Facebook group called RongRong Art Fans. We'll link everything below for you. We hope you enjoy this product. and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.